YouTube, what's going on? Rohit back with another video. Today we got another POV because you guys really liked the last one we just did yesterday. Today we got it in sport mode. A little bit of some fun today. More early morning, 7 in the morning. We're going. Get on the highway. Start it off. Sir, y'all hear that thing? It's whining away. But yeah, hopefully you guys are having a good one. I didn't expect the last video to do so well, but it did. I was kind of thinking, the POV is still doing good or not, but now we got a bunch of subs, so appreciate all the support. And now we are in today's sport mode, so a little bit more downshifts and stuff we'll have. Yesterday's I didn't do much of that, but yeah, we got this little Honda right here. Good way to start off the morning. Seeing a Honda. It's a Civic too. I don't think it's not none of the fast ones or the ones that try to play though. Nah, they're not trying to do anything. They're just chilling. Honestly, I'm trying to just chill too, but I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of some stuff today, like some sound of the downshifts and stuff. But it is 67 degrees outside, so it's a little bit cooler than usual. Just kind of surprised. I didn't expect this cool of weather this morning, but it's a nice break from all the heat we've been having. I don't mind it anyway. But got a bunch of people. Look at the sun rising. Well, it's already risen, but it still looks nice. Like, look at this morning. Yeah, we always are up early in the morning, just doing what we have to do. Got to get this money, right? Everybody got to. But yeah, we have nothing really like fast right now. We're just chilling. Nobody really doing anything. We're just cruising along right now. Hopefully though, you guys are having a good one. If you guys are up in the morning, feels pretty good, working, doing your thing. And I mean, I just think mornings are just so much fun, especially when you got a Hellcat. Man, waking up in the morning is easy. Get a little bit of some fun before you get to work. So let's see. Listen to this. That sounds good. That does sound good. Let's see. Y'all hear that? That sounds so good. That whine, the little when you let off and it's up in RPM when it's whining. Oh my God, I love it. I thought it was only on leg makers, but nope. I'll have the leg maker intake. Downshift. Yeah, that sounds good. That does sound good. That's like the best supercharger whine in my opinion. A little bit of pops for y'all in the morning. nice time when you can just listen to that supercharger whine all morning. That's a good place to be. Early in the morning listening to the whine. Oh, yeah. Some people outside. Everybody's just getting up, you know. Now it's time to get up for work, whatever you're doing. I like mornings more. I used to do evenings at the hotel, but I decided, you know what, I like mornings, because at least I get off work when it's still daytime. I don't like getting off work when it's night, because everything's done. There's nothing else to do. I want my work to be at night, and then finishing at night, and then right when I get home, it's time to sleep. That's it. I have to, you know, because you get off at like 11, so you don't have much time to do much, you know. So, oh, the pops. Y'all hear them? They sound good. There's a charger going that way. Old one. Gen 2? I think it's a Gen 2. Just in that downshift. A little bit sideways. Tires are not warm, and it's also pretty cool outside, so yeah, we do have a little bit of some sideways action, but that was a small one. We're good. We're chilling. I'm gonna go straight. But yeah. Let's see, we got this straight. Alright, YouTube, well, that might do it for today's little POV, morning POV. I might do another one later today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Peace.